Hello fams, welcome back to the new tech channel, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can register your preferences when it comes to getting notifications on the Facebook app on Android. Now the first thing to do is to go to your Facebook app. The next thing to do from here is to click on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then scroll to the options section, and you'd want to click on your time on Facebook. So once you're on the time management interface, just scroll down to see the bell icon. That's the fourth option on the screen. It says control your notifications. So go ahead and click on see settings, and from here you can click on notification settings. Now there is a rundown of options that allows you to select what type of notifications that you get on Facebook. It's a whole lot of options and settings, so you'd want to take your time to go through each of them and register your preference. For example, for comments, you can determine where you receive these notifications. You want to get notified for push, for email, for SMS. Have that toggle that on or off depending on your preference. Also for tags, the same apply. You can also go through that option, and then reminders, and then updates from friends, and like that. So just take your time to run through the options, register your preference, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.